How to document on TI One Voice. This presentation will show you how to turn your lived experience into legally defensible evidence using the tools built into the platform. Why should you document? 1 person can be ignored. 10 can be called coincidence. But when over 170 signatories describe the same tactics, the data speaks for itself. Every entry you create has a date, context, and a tamper-proof hash. Your words become evidence. The platform's pattern discovery engine finds common patterns across all stories that no individual could reveal alone. And RFC 3161 timestamps and blockchain registration make your account court admissible under EU law. Documentation is the first act of resistance against erasure. How does documenting work on TI One Voice? The document library is the central ecosystem where all your evidence lives. Everything you create, upload, or generate through interviews flows into your private, encrypted document library, where it is automatically timestamped and registered on the blockchain. There are 3 ways to document your experiences. First, self-documentation. Write down what happened, when, and how it affected you. Upload documents, notes, and personal records directly to your private library. Second, Interview Me. If you don't know where to start, the AI-guided interview system walks you through structured questions so nothing important gets missed. Third, third-party documents. Upload supporting records from doctors, police reports, lawyers, or any authority you've interacted with to strengthen your evidence. The Doc Planner helps you plan and track your documentation work. It organizes your tasks based on Interview Me sessions, showing what's still to do, what's in progress, and what you've completed. Enable it to receive reminders about pending documentation tasks. You can also access the AI-powered advice feature directly from Doc Planner for guidance on what to document next. The Evidence Quality Score gives you AI-powered advice to strengthen your documentation. It combines an algorithmic score with an AI qualitative assessment across 7 dimensions, including narrative coherence, legal relevance, and credibility signals. The gap analysis identifies missing evidence categories and suggests specific documents to upload next. Priority recommendations are ranked by urgency, from high-priority forensic evidence to medium-priority organizational improvements. Every document you upload goes through a 4-step process. First, the document enters the system. Then a unique SHA-256 fingerprint is computed. Next, an RFC 3161 timestamp provides signed proof of the exact date and time. Finally, the record is anchored on an immutable blockchain. These RFC 3161 qualified timestamps carry legal presumption of accuracy in European courts, the same evidentiary weight as a notary's date. And blockchain anchoring distributes the record across thousands of nodes worldwide. Even if a server were seized, the integrity proof survives independently. Your documents, your control. Every document is private by default. There is no public feed, no shared timeline. Your library is a completely sealed space. Platform administrators have no master key. Access control is enforced at every level through the technical architecture itself, not just through policy. The pattern discovery engine works on anonymized, aggregated data. Reports present findings at population level without tracing back to your specific documents. And you can exercise your GDPR right to data portability at any time. One click gives you everything. Privacy is not a feature added on top. It is the foundation everything else was built upon. The peer review feature in the Activist Hub lets you collect structured feedback on your documents from reviewers. First, create a peer review asset with a title, description, and approval threshold. then upload a PDF or Word document. The platform generates a secure share link automatically. Distribute it using MailMerge for personalized emails, or share the public link directly. Reviewers can comment without needing an account. You respond in a threaded discussion visible to all. You receive in-app notifications whenever a reviewer submits feedback, and you can iterate by updating the document and re-notifying reviewers. From data to justice. The path from data to justice starts with one person deciding, what happened to me matters, and I'm going to put it on the record. Start documenting today at one.witisk.org. TI One Voice. Operated by iCatter. Brussels, Belgium.